din ba kayo kung gaano kadali magbago ang lahat? Habang tayo ay abala sa ating mga pangarap, may mga tao sa kabilang panig ng mundo na hindi na alam kung may bukas pa silang daratnan. In a single heartbeat, the world stops. While we scroll through our feeds, millions in Iran are waking up to a skyline on fire. We see the headlines about military targets and nuclear facilities, but we often miss the most important story, the faces of the innocent caught in crossfire. Mothers, children, and students just like us, paying the ultimate price for a conflict they did not start. Schools that should be echoing with laughter become silent. Ang mga pangarap na dapat sana ay tinutupad na, nauuwi sa wala. The destruction is not just in the buildings, it's in the broken lives and the deep, lasting scars. Mga sugat sa puso at isip na kahit anong panahon, hindi basta-basta maghihilom. These are people who just wanted to live, to work, and to love. What remains when the sirens stop? A broken toy in the dirt, an empty classroom, a silent dinner table. This is the reality of war. As the conflict intensifies, it is not just buildings that are falling. It is dreams, futures, and lives. As a student of the Civic Welfare Training Service and an advocate for peace, I believe our education is meaningless if it doesn't lead us to empathy. Promoting lasting peace is not just about the absence of weapons. It is about the presence of active solidarity. We promote stability when we choose to speak for those who have been silenced, when we reject the rhetoric of division, and when we demand that human dignity be placed above political gain. Let us never forget their stories, their pain, and their right to a life free from violence. They are the true victims of war, and their suffering reminds us why we must fight tirelessly for peace. Peace begins with us, in our hearts, in our classrooms, and in the way we stand together for a world where no one has to pay the price of a war they didn't start. Stop the war, stand for peace, stand for humanity.